Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete the developer account of Microsoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are going to follow this article or this community post here of Microsoft. And basically here we are going to learn how to delete the Microsoft program or the developer program account. And simply, we will be needing just to go to the profile, and from there you will be able to delete your profile. So as you can see, you will be needing to go to your developer program account dashboard. So in the dashboard, and then you will need just to choose delete profile. And after that, you will be needing to confirm your identity and or to confirm your action. And this action will delete your existing profile and your Microsoft developer subscription, including all the data that you have on your accounts. And after you complete this step, you can rejoin the program. And after 60 days, you can set up a new subscription. So as you can see here, I'm on my account or in the developer program. If you go to the developer account, I will be able like to accept, like add whatever you would like, select region, etc. And basically here you will have like in the developer program, like delete profile. And by that, you will be able to delete your profile or to delete your account. So simply, those were the steps on how you can delete your Microsoft's developer program account. So thank you for watching and see you next time.